and I researched about my hair transplant surgery, and I googled it. But so once I came to India, I have consulted Dr. Asutosh, and I have contacted few other doctors and did my own research, and I have consulted few hair transplant surgeons in Surat. One of my friend recommended me to meet Dr. Asutosh, so I booked an appointment and meet with Dr. Asutosh, and I met him, and I had a few questions and confusion in my mind to do this hair transplant surgery. But once I met Dr. Asutosh, he gave me proper response and guidance, and he suggests me to do what is the best treatment for me. After considering Asutosh, I have few confused things. I have confusion in my mind, so I talked to him and his staff several times, and they always give me proper feedback and guidance. So I decided to do his hair transplant treatment with Dr. Asutosh. So once I decided, we book an appointment, we book a date to do this surgery, and on the day of surgery, I came to Dr. Asutosh's clinic, and the atmosphere was very good and pleasant, and before the treatment, I consult with his assistant, and we briefly go through how the surgery is going to be, what is the expectation from him, and what is the expectation from my side. And there are some questions that Q&A that we discuss about, so there is no doubt regarding the surgery. The surgery went very well. It was very pleasant and very helpful staff that gave me this treatment. And surgery was lengthy, but there was enough break in between the surgery, so I didn't feel like that I had surgery at all, and the surgery was very painless. After the surgery, after 2 days, I came over here for second consultation to do the hair wash and to do the bandage, and it was also very pleasant. The staff gave me proper response, positive response, and it was a painless treatment, and they do the dressing on me. So overall, it was a very good experience with Dr. Asutosh and his team. So I always, if somebody asks me, I always recommend Dr. Asutosh for a plastic surgery or a hair transplant treatment. Thank you.